Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today's video is about how to calculate the cumulative interest on some loan. So let's assume we are having a loan of principal amount of 1 lakh. The rate is 10% per annum and the time period is 36 months, 3 years. So in this case we are going to calculate in 36 months or in 3 years at the rate of 10% on principal 1 lakh how much interest we have paid. So for that, we are having a formula ipmt. It says that it returns the cumulative interest paid between two periods. So the formula is asking for some inputs. So let's put that. The first is rate. So this is our rate, but we have to divide it by 12 because we want monthly. Then the NPER is 36. It is in months. Then PV is principal amount, which is 1 lakh. Then the starting period is 1 and the end period is 36. Then coming to end of the period or beginning of the period, so we are taking 0 for the end of the period option. Here the start period and the end period can vary as per your requirement. Let's assume you want the total interest paid in 1 year, that is 12 months. So you will pick here 1 as the starting period and 12 as the end period. But here in our example, we are going to calculate the cumulative interest paid in 3 years, that is 36 months. So we have taken 1 as the starting period and 36 at the end period. So closing the parenthesis and pressing enter will give us 16,161.87 rupees of interest paid on this much principal at 10% rate on for time period of 3 years. So this was all about the calculation of interest on loan amount. Video in next video with the next topic. Do subscribe to the channel and thank you so much for watching this video.